North Solo Africa Cucina. Na good morning. So anywhere one a day, na Nigeria na day, na Europe na day, na America down na day, na London na day, na another Africa na day, all parts of the world. So I greet everybody. Na good morning, God will bless you. If na afternoon, good afternoon, everybody. God will bless you. So I know my name, as I told before. My name is Chef Lovett, North Solo Africa Cucina. So my channel, I do many things for my channel. I do sports, I cook, I do many things. I see they do this frullati and all this suka when juice when person they drink, when at least when you go fit calm down. And as you tell they eat your fruits and your food, so that means day after. So that's why they call me North Solo Africa. So North Solo Africa, not be only Africa food I they do, not be only Oyibo things I they do. I sabi cook Oyibo food, I sabi cook Nigeria food. Not when I know God don't take bless this hand when I feel do food or other thing. Like all this one still they do one. So that's why they call her North Solo Africa. So North Solo Africa Cucina, my YouTube channel name. So God will bless all of you for me. God will bless you. So all people when they subscribe for my YouTube channel, so God will bless you. So when I continue to subscribe, when I not leave me, you just I tell them say that because of now they do one. Another day, now they give me that power when I tell they do one. So God will bless you. God bless you, my children. Bless anything one and nail on a hand. And so God will they manifest upon our life, upon our children's life. I say, I always tell her this word, say, Mona not tired for my thankness, Mona not stay tired for my prayer for una. I want to make everything they okay with una. That's why Mama, they always they come here, come they talk. Not be say I don't get other things to do, but I just love una. That love when I get for una, I want to make everybody they okay. So I bet Mona see they subscribe for my YouTube channel. I bet Mona see they share. Because still get some people when we say yes, they are there, when we say yes, they still need help. They don't know how to wait till the step when they will take, how they will take calm down. So you see they nice, you see they you know see they help them. That is, if you share, they'll still get the experience. Maybe they don't want to calm down, maybe small when they look and they'll come they motivate them, they'll say they want to calm down. Now so not be saying now let me want to chop. I beg wanna see they share my video, wanna see they subscribe for my YouTube channel. God will bless all of you. Today, I just come here, I come show now the juice when I want to do today. So today I get kiwi. This na kiwi. Now no kiwi now for Italo. I don't know whether they na kiwi they still they call them for English. So na kiwi they call this one for our country for here. So this na ginger. Una no ginger now abi. This na lemon. So now see what Mama want do. So this kiwi, lemon and ginger. So I'll come cut all of them small. Now we'll see my grinder for here. So I'll come up for here. I'll grind. It go smooth. So I go dey drink 2 times a day, morning and evening. I'll take the drink. Now no say this kiwi now e good for body. Like person when you know they go toilet, this one they very important. If you eat them, you just they go toilet. They go to drink water, you they go to kiwi. No just want they play. And I walk baby that one. So now see know this one and say this lemon now. No say lemon good for body, get vitamin well for body. I tell you know. So it still dey nice. Okay. This ginger, I know what ginger they do. All part of any bad thing when they body, na ginger they do. So now be this one. So I come cut all this one and put them for here, grinder. So I come put them for cup. Now see if I don't do and finish. So now my people, God will bless you. So make I just do this our drinking, okay, so that I don't want to take my time well today because it get the spot when I do, but that one still the road. I will see offload that one very soon. So now so my people. So make I just grind this one. If I don't grind and finish, I will come back again to my topic, so you never finish with you. So make I just hurry now. Guys, faster. I just do so just drink am together. You know, say anything when I dey prepare, na me with na dey drink am. Even though self, and I let me one day, but at least I say una come drink am with me, okay? So una do well. So make I grind this thing. I dey come now, okay? Okay. So my fruta macinato, how do they call it for Italo? I don't remember again. So my fruit when I say I want grind before, and if I know what I put for here now, kiwi, lemon, and now let's just three things, and what they call the other one, ginger. Now that one, I did yes, so I don't grind that. You see as it be. So now so it just be, so you will grind and make it smooth, well, and this one still good for body. And I know what kiwi they do for body. They make person they go toilet. They make person they go toilet, and the ginger also they make person they calm down. Also with lemon, and also lemon now they cut all this fat when they body. So now if they drink this one every morning 2 times in a day, because now drink it for morning, now still drink it in the evening. If no one go baby and test them on and see them. They're okay. So they don't put sugar. Like this, they do the drink it. Maybe before you drink, if you don't want to eat a breakfast, if you just use this one to do your breakfast, so yeah, you won't go waka, continue, or you come back, you drink it. Before you sleep, you drink another cup again. If you want to have plenty. Obviously, if you want just grinder, you must add water, take grinder. You know, say only the line not go, only the water not go do, make you take grinder. So you will just put small water John, at least make it light for you to drink, because if you too thick, maybe you don't go this smooth well. So very nice. You make you the free yourself. So now see me now, now see me. Don't be say now beans, so the road where mama pass. Why I can't come down like this, my belly not come day. Not be say not day, oh, I not fit tell na lie say my belly not day. Belly day, but it not big as it big before it short. The belly it really come down, because if me I the rubber man, the belly it really come down. You see one thing, at least anything when you want to do for life, make it come from here, okay? Not listening to people. You know go fit do one. You know go, at least you go dey encourage yourself so that you go fit do one. If me, I feel encourage myself, say I go do one. Even sometimes my husband will go order pizza, order this one. I dey chop pizza, but now once in a blue moon. Now see pizza when I do that time. Since that time, I never do any pizza again. And I dey eat pizza once in a blue moon. I dey eat pizza. And if I want eat now that one they call margarita. Only that one. Even with it for my book when I take the diet once in a week. Margarita. Not be all this plenty thing when they pack they put. So only that one I feel eat. So maybe once in blue moon, I feel eat that chipotle, that onions with onion. That one. Once in blue moon, I be that one. So my people, I just thank all of you now. I thank you now. God bless all of you now. So wanna try, wanna come down small. Also wanna come down well. At least you don't see waiting mama wear now. At least when I will still put something now, I not go get any problem. Say my dress not going to enter me. Even when I even buy this one that time, this one not dey enter me well. You know they enter me because if I wear them, you know as they do now, you go come down like this. Yeah, I don't just know a short. Yeah. So, but now I just thank God. I had the effort when God, that is the power when God give me, I take continue. And that's why I still tell them, Mona, continue. You never late. You never late. Okay. Never late at all. Even though self you don't mature, you too mature, you can do it. Na small pikin, you can do it. Yeah, where there's nothing you can when you don't go fit do. That is if you put your that is if you put heart, say this thing you want really do one, you go do one, but not do one excess. When you say, I must do one, just take on like saying another thing. Really, if you don't they calm down, you go like yourself. Because you go use mirror to look yourself, turn around, look yourself again. Say now maybe this one. You go like yourself, truth to God. You go like yourself. Why? Because that fatness, in short, before you go dress, open wardrobe like this, you don't dey select wetin you want wear. You don't know wetin you want wear. Anything when you just carry as you just waka dey go, no style. But if you don't, just open the mirror, open the mirror. First of all, if you want rub cream, if mirror there, just look yourself. You don't go like yourself, my darling people. People when they fat, oh, not people when you not fat. You when you don't slim, I beg, I will make you still teach us, I beg, I jealous that you na slim me. Truth to God, I like women when they slim. Not be say they're too slim, or at least they just get moderate, not too slim, not too fat. Anima, I beg, now still teach us because we still they learn. So one just not be say I say wanna calm down like all this. But when you just calm down finish, no. Please. Why wait? Una clothes go the size una dress go the size una see the mean yanga. You don't know what they mean, oh. To calm down. You can't wear waiting be say people go enter store, they go carry, they go run commode. You go enter, they go they find your size. You don't know what it mean. And when you go feel calm down small, it go be like say that is you are just it just be like say they renew you again. So make una be like that, okay? And that's why they tell you now this one. Not be say I can't tell, maybe I can't laugh now. I can't tell and say Mona go sleep. No, me I dey say Mona do one because you don't mean I don't dey for that position when be say yes. If you see truth over, if you see my belly, I see the cloth when I wear yesterday, I think they cover belly. But today now, I feel open my belly. See, I feel open my belly because I know say yes. I know the road when I pass, and that my daughter. When God go bless well that tea when he still give me, now they drink every morning. I know they drink am 2 times again because I don't they see the result. I see they do sport. I see they help myself. I know they eat pounded yam. Not be say I know they eat I know they pounded yam. I know they eat for that one. Now see wetin I they eat. So all this plantain with pepper, all this minor thing. When we say yes. Old school food that they hungry me. Can't sit down, can't cook or boil, can't cook this one. It not fit and it not they hungry me. So now, so if you want calm down, make you know what you go they eat. No, they pay rice, they pay meat, they pay everything once. Everything go just dey inside the food. That pot, if you not finish today, you not go leave them. Now so you go they turn around, you go they look out for them. Hey, me go now work ball. I want see ya me. No help, I beg. I dey tell una say if I say anything when we say yes, you will offend una. Mona forgive me. I don't want to offend anybody. And secondly, Mona calm down now and then. As me I feel do one, you will feel do one also. So God will bless all of una. So now do well. Mona not fail to hit that subscribe button for me. I beg Mona just, Mama don't they, you go respect you need my car. You see how I say I don't they bele well now. I want bele. Another one not they won't go bele. Not your later one we know. Just they broke all of them. Broker come here, go they broker bang. Bye bye.